Hi there. Today we're walking through how to connect your Excel workbook that's on your computer to an Excel Online file that's on a OneDrive. Learning this technique can potentially make you a much more efficient data manager, and you can also help your organization become a little more efficient too. If it's our first time meeting, my name is Luis from louistable.com, and I'm putting my experience in data and toys to work for you in my videos. So let's get started with an example. Let's pretend that we're working for an e-commerce store and we have the product information workbook right here with us. We want to connect it to an Excel Online file that contains the sales data for these items. Our first step to make this connection, of course, is to open up our main workbook here, then to open up our browser and go to the OneDrive for our company. From here, we'll locate the spreadsheet we want to connect to, and it will open in Excel Online. Once it loads in a new tab, press Open in Desktop here at the top of the Excel ribbon. From here, go to File, Info, and Copy Path. We're getting a link directly to this file. After the link has been copied, let's go back to our original file, then go to Data, From Web. Now press Ctrl V to paste the link we copied into the text box and remove this question web equals 1, which will cause errors in the connection. The link should end with .xlsx. Now press OK, and after a few more seconds, our connection will be made. By the way, if it's your first time doing this, you'll be prompted with this screen. Click on Organizational Account and then sign in with your Microsoft Office 365 credentials to complete the connection. You'll see this navigator prompt, which will allow you to either transform this data or simply choose the data set inside of the target workbook, and you can load that directly into our home workbook, which is what I've done here. Now, what's happened with this direct load is that Excel is taking the data in that tab of the online file and putting it in a new tab in our local file here. And this is great. In this instance, we have all of the product data along with the item ID, and we have the item ID in the sales data along with the sales numbers and sales dates. So now we can create reports that utilize both data sets, and with the press of a button in the data tab, you can press refresh all or the shortcut Ctrl Alt F5, and you'll almost instantly reload this tab that's connected to Excel Online with the latest sales data. So all your reports that you build from this will be updated automatically. You've just learned how to connect your Excel workbook on your computer to an Excel Online file on OneDrive. I've used this technique to vastly improve my efficiency in analyzing Shopify data, and I challenge you to find ways to apply this technique and make your data management more efficient. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and if there's any other tips or tricks that I can help you with in terms of data management, Excel, and toy data, let me know in the comments below. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.